Salt spray on my face, black waters calling my name. Nabuado Jetty trembling beneath my feet again. Behind the hills of Bua, where my childhood learned to stand. In front of me a steel ship holding dreams within its hand. A worn-out suitcase shaking in my grip so tight. Father's hands like anchors carved by reef and night. From dollar fields to darkened seas, he gave his strength away, so his son could walk a brighter day. Before the world knew my name, before tales bridged the way, my father was my scholarship, my mother knelt to pray. I'm a boy from Bua soil, with my vanua in my veins, faith my anchor in the storm. Through the salt and through the rain, I will rise, I will stand, for the sweat upon their brow. From Nabawalu's sacred shore to the halls I'm walking now. No medal on their chest, but heroes just the same. I will make their sacrifice worth every drop of pain. Mother Vide, a kerosene stove, shadow on the wall, whispering silent prayers that I would never find. Wood smoke on her skin, love in every breath, teaching me that faith is stronger even in death. They wore their Sunday clothes, thin but proud and clean, every thread a sacrifice, every tear unforeseen. Father's hand upon my shoulder, voice heavy but strong. Go and change our story, son, remember where you're from. I'm a boy from Bua soil, with my vadua in my veins, faith my anchor in the storm. Through the salt and through the rain, I will rise, I will stand, for the sweat upon their brow. From Nabawalu's sacred shore to the halls I'm walking now.
Sinhanina yali na nonguanua,
Enati konga elo mangu,
namasunena nao na bulakila,
nasasangane tamangu meovuli binaka.
I'm a son of sacrifice,
Born of reef and burning sun, I will carry all their dreams until the victory's won. From the jetty to the city, from the soil to the crown, when one of us rises higher, we never let it die.
the fairy fades and mist,
Two figures standing tall,
they know where the world's applause,
but they give